Hey everybody, this is the Bento Buster in Japan and we are making a shrimp fillet sandwich, aka the ebi fillet. So please, keep watching. First, let's make the shrimp patty. Put half of the shrimp in a food processor and give it a blitz. Now you want the texture to be chunky, so don't over blitz it. Next, add the rest of the shrimp and give it a slight pulse. The mixture should consist of small to big chunks of shrimp. Now transfer the mixture to a bowl and start shaping those patties. And at this point you can season it with some salt and pepper. After your patties have been formed, they should look something like this. Now let's start the dredging and breading process. Coat your patty in flour. Dredge your patty in a mixture of mayonnaise and egg, and then finally cover it with panko. Once that's all done, we're ready for the deep fryer. Fry your patty at about 180 degrees until it's golden brown. Now it's time to toast the bun. I'm using a plain bun, but if you want to go with sesame seeds, then go for it. Put them face down on a fry pan until they're nice and toasted. Add a dash of mustard and then that ebi fillet. Top the fillet off with some lettuce. Add a dollop of 1000 allen dressing. Then crown off our sandwich by adding the top bun. Assembly complete. And there we have it, our shrimp fillet sandwich, aka the ebi fillet. Now let's take a bite to check it out. Yep, this sandwich really is in a class of its own. First, there's the crisp crunch of the panko, followed by the sweetness of the shrimp, and finally a little heat from the mustard. Now if you can't get hold of an ebi fillet in your hometown, please try this recipe because you won't be disappointed. Thank you for watching. I am the Bento Buster and see you next time.